is a story. A story about ninjas and stuff. About bozos who don't know how to use swords. And sombrero wearing supervillains. And about talking monkeys. This is Revenge of the Monkey. I'm getting too old for this. I need to recruit some warriors. I'll go to a mystical land called Kanata.
Hey, it's a monkey! No, stop.
Hello, my name is Master, Teacher, Trainer, Professor, Sensei. And I have come to recruit warriors to defeat the evil teriyaki burrito ninja. I've heard there are some great warriors in Kanata.
Teriyaki burrito? Yeah. It's pronounced...
Shut up! I am too old to defeat the teriyaki burrito ninja. I need you Canadian warriors to defeat him for me.
Okay.
Are you drinking maple syrup?
One. It's not maple syrup, it's orange juice.
Then why is it brown?
It's stale orange juice.
Then why does it say Aunt Jemima's butter flavored maple syrup? That wasn't orange juice, was it? It was maple syrup.
Yeah.
So anyways, the teriyaki burrito ninja has returned!
What?
Yes, the teriyaki burrito ninja has
No, I mean I wasn't listening.
So stupid. So anyway, will you come with me to become great ninja master?
Ninja masters. Yeah. Yeah!
Why aren't you moving?
Our hands are stuck together with maple syrup.
I'm back from my manly sleep. I'm the most manly man in all of Manville. Yes, I know I have pictures of One Direction all over my room. And yes, JB. Yes, I know my computer background is a picture of One Direction Perry and Justin Bieber hugging. Ah, yes, I know. I live in my mother's basement. Yes, Mommy! Kitty, I'm kind of taking a dump, and I'm out of toilet paper. Could you grab me some? Like now? Oh God! Oh God! I think that. Could you grab me some paper towels too? Welcome to my dojo, also known as my place.
Pretty sweet crib, man. Nah.
Pick up the phone. Come on, pick up the phone. Pick it up, 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 pick it up. Come on, pick up the phone, pick it up, answer the phone, answer the phone, answer the phone. Yes, please, answer the phone.
Meow.
Kitty, you were supposed to get me toilet paper like 2 hours ago. I'm still on the copper, and I'm taking a dump. Well, actually, I was taking a dump, but now I'm stuck in the bathroom because I have crap on my butt. So I'm stuck in the bathroom.
Meow 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 meow.
Okay,
Meow.
how are you busy?
Meow 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 meow.
What do you mean that you're at that place?
Meow 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 meow.
Oh, so you thought you could do without me? So mean, Kitty.
Meow.
Yes, bye to you too. Who do you think I am? And why did you bring me home? Screw off!
Batman, why are you wearing a hat?
I'm not Batman! And you didn't bring me toilet paper, so you're not getting your paycheck!
Why are you teamed up with Catwoman? Meow meow. Well, Catwoman's your enemy. That doesn't make any sense. Yeah. Meow. I thought Catwoman was
I
bad.
am not Batman!
Are you Superman?
No.
Are you Spider-Man?
I'm no superhero,
No,
I'm
he's
a
obviously.
supervillain!
Oh, he's obviously Flash Gordon. Oh yeah. Hey, you're Flash Gordon, right?
No.
Okay, then since you said you're a supervillain, you must be the Green Goblin.
No, I'm not the...
He's the Green Goblin.
I am Teriyaki Burrito Ninja! Magical ninja power!
Oof.
What? Kitty! Why would you deceive me?
I'm sick of living with all your One Direction posters and Justin Bieber posters and sick of living in your mother's basement. Although I will miss the cookies. But I have her as a friend on Facebook, so it's all good. Chop!
Why aren't you moving?
Our heads are stuck together with maple syrup!
Oh, not again! Not again.
Teriyaki burrito?
Oh, I forgot to record. Kitty! Why would you deceive me?
Because I'm sick. I'm sick. I can't do this.
She really cannot do this.
Okay.
Kitty! Why would you deceive me?
I'm sick of living with all your One Direction posters and your Justin Bieber's posters. But although I will miss your mom's cookies, I'm so sick of it.
Oh my God!
Too choppy! Okay.
Free!
Mom, it's gonna kill you if we lose it.
Get it, Jake.
Did someone record that?
Yes.
I found toilet paper!